This video will show you how to create formatted citations and works cited pages, reference lists, and bibliographies using your RefWorks library. It's really easy to create a bibliography in any citation style using your RefWorks entries in your RefWorks library. First, you want to have your RefWorks open and just use the select boxes on the left side of your citations in your RefWorks library to select the citations you want to include in your bibliography. If you want to use all of them, use the select all at the top of the page to select all of the entries in your RefWorks library. Your next step is to go to the toolbar and select Create Bibliography, and then from the drop-down menu, select Create Bibliography. When you select Create Bibliography, the citations you've selected will be formatted in the style that's selected from the drop-down menu in the upper left area of the screen. Right now, these citations are in MLA 8th edition, but you could select a different style if you wanted to. If this is how you would like your citations to appear, just click the Copy to Clipboard button on the right. As you can see, if you wanted to change the style, that drop-down menu provides you with a list of a number of different styles that you could just change your bibliography to or your reference list on the fly as you're creating it. Again, select your Copy to Clipboard to copy your references to the clipboard so you can then just paste them at the end of your Word document. Remember, it is your responsibility to check the citations that have been created by RefWorks for accuracy. For example, this first citation that we've pasted in has the JSTOR URL duplicated, and I would need to delete one of them for it to be correct. Use a resource like Purdue OWL or one of the Wayne State University Library's citation guides to verify that your citations are correct. You can also explore some of the other tools available in the Create Bibliography drop-down menu. The Quick Cite allows you to also form the in-text citations to copy and paste into your paper, and citations individually that you can paste into your bibliography. There are lots of other tools and resources available in RefWorks. You could learn more about RefWorks at guides.lib.wayne.edu/RefWorks. Need help? You can go to library.wayne.edu/help and visit us via chat, email, phone, or text.